Okay, you all wanted to try and figure out why the water moved this way when we heated it up with our hands. So in the flask we have gas. Gas is moving quite fast because it has lots of energy, and because of that it tends to push each other apart and likes distance between its particles. But if you heat up that gas and give it more energy by putting your hands around it, a change is going to occur in that gas that means it has more energy, and therefore it's going to push each other apart even further. So in this diagram you can see that because the gas has more energy, it has sped up and is pushing each other apart even further than it was before. And that means that the gas particles are going to spread out and as much as they possibly can, which includes the only exit point from the flask, which is out down the tube. So the gas is pushing down the tube, and as it does that, it's pushing the water further away and up the tube on the other side. So finally, if you put cold hands around that flask and you cool that air down in there, the particles are going to lose their energy, okay? They're going to slow down, and if they slow down, they're therefore not hitting each other as much, and they're not knocking each other further and further apart because they don't have enough energy to push each other apart. They then contract and come back together, and as they contract, their volume reduces, they take up less space, and the water then gets sucked back up this way because the gas gets sucked back up into the flask. So in this case here we have expansion, and in this case here we have contraction.